Forex News NTV Forex Today dollar has no reasons to recover, for now. www.ntvforex.com News ID 040999. 9 minutes ago. By FXStreet team. Here is what you need to know on Monday, July 6. A holiday in the US kept majors lifeless on Friday, exacerbating the previous range trading. The greenback finished the week with a soft tone, weighed by concerns about the future of the economy as coronavirus cases continue to rise, particularly in the southern states. The dollar maintained its weak tone across the board. Coronavirus expansion remains as the primary market concern. The US has reported over 57,000 new cases in just one day by the end of the week, with the epicenter in the southern states. The number of new contagions eased during the weekend, but the country is still reporting over 45,000 new cases per day. The total number of new contagions worldwide on Saturday reached roughly 189,600, while there are over 4.4 million active cases reported globally. Progress in vaccines continues to be too slow for the market to shift its focus to economic recoveries. On Saturday, ECB President Christine Lagarde said that the EU would likely face 2 years of downward pressure on prices, amid a transformation of the economy as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Lagarde said that the economy is facing a transition period to new economic models, with greater digitization and automation affecting employment and production. In the meantime, the central bank will need to keep its monetary policy exceptionally loose. After Brexit talks ended earlier than anticipated on Thursday amid serious divergences between both parts, the EU and the UK committed to another round of talks this week in London. There are 3 main issues that remain unsolved: EU access to UK fishing waters, the EU's demand for a level playing field, and the position of the European Court of Justice to resolve disputes. Last Friday, Asian equities posted modest gains, but European indexes closed in the red, reflecting the cautious mood. The dismal market's sentiment will likely continue at the beginning of the new week. Gold prices hit a fresh 8-year high last week, ending it pretty much unchanged at $1,774.60. Central bank's pledge to keep stimulating the economy and concerns related to the coronavirus pandemic will likely continue to support the bright metal. Crude oil prices finished the week with gains, although within familiar levels. WTI continues to hover around $40 a barrel. Top 3 price prediction: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Crypto bears return starting out a fresh week. Forex News NTV Forex Bo's Bailey negative rates one of the potential tools under active review. Sunday Times. www.ntvforex.com News ID 7B389C. 30 minutes ago. By Dhwani Mehta. According to a story carried by the Sunday Times, the Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey held a meeting with heads of banks at the end of June, per Reuters. At the meeting, they discussed negative rates, in which Bailey reportedly said every tool they have is on the table. The British newspaper also reported that Governor Bailey had written a letter to lenders warning them of the challenges of negative interest rates. The letter read, "Negative rates were one of the potential tools under active review if the MPC decided that more stimulus was needed to achieve the BOE's 2% price target." Market reaction: the above report is likely to render pound negative, which could drag GBP/USD back below 1.2400 at the weekly opening. The focus remains on the UK-EU post-transition Brexit trade talks in the week ahead. Forex News NTV Forex. Dhwani Mehta. FXStreet. Following. Top 3 price prediction: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple. Crypto bears return starting out a fresh week. Cryptos. 44 minutes ago. Bears are back amid a fresh selling wave across the crypto board. Bitcoin eyes Thursday's low amid lack of healthy supports. Ethereum breaches key support, paving way for extra declines. The most favorite crypto coin, Bitcoin, is battling $9,000, having faced rejection at $9,200. Ethereum is the main laggard among the top 4 cryptocurrencies on Sunday. Ripple keeps its range below $0.1800, as it remains on track for a 1.50% weekly loss. The total market capitalization of the top 20 cryptocurrencies now stands at $258.99 billion, as cited by CoinMarketCap. The above widely traded coins are under pressure heading into a new week, with FXStreet's confluence detector suggesting key support and resistance levels to watch out for. BTC/USD sellers continue to lurk below 9,200 amid broader market weakness. Bitcoin continues to trade below the critical barrier at 9,183, the confluence of Fib 61.8% 1D, Bollinger Band 1H middle and SMA 200 1H. The immediate hurdle above the latter is aligned at 9,233, where Fib 23.6% on 1W, 1M and Bollinger Band 1H upper intersect. Buyers will directly aim for the upside target of 9,465, the convergence of Fib 38.2% 1M and pivot point 1WR2. To the downside, the bulls should find minor support around 8,950, pivot point 1DS3, Bollinger Band 1D lower and previous week low. A failure to resist above the aforesaid support, the selling pressure will likely accelerate towards 8,525 amid a lack of significant supports. ETH/USD path of least resistance is to the downside according to Ethereum's near-term technical view. The ETH weakness is back in vogue after the bears cracked the 200 HMA support at 226.44. The price has breached Thursday's low of 223.31, as it tested the next support at 218. The pivot point daily S3. Further south, 210 is the critical level, which is the pivot point S2 on weekly. Alternatively, a cluster of resistances is stacked up at 228, which makes it an uphill task for the bulls to scale on any pullbacks. That level is the confluence of the Fibonacci 38.2% 1W, Bollinger Bank 4H middle and Fibonacci 61.8% 1D. XRP/USD battle lines well defined, range play to extend ripple is ranging in a tight band around 0.1770 so far this Sunday, with the immediate upside capped at 0.1788, the major